My dear 7th standard students, welcome to Bhadidasnar YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss Geography lesson number 2, Atmosphere part 1. Shall we step into the lesson? Good. First of all, what is mean by atmosphere? What is mean by atmosphere, children? Atmosphere is nothing but the mixture of gases that surround our earth is known as atmosphere. Yes, Deepak, tell me the answer. What is atmosphere? Good. What is atmosphere? The mixture of gases that surrounds our earth is known as atmosphere. Shall I write the answer, children? Just repeat along with me. What is mean by atmosphere? The mixture of gases that surrounds our earth is known as atmosphere. So, what is atmosphere? The mixture of gases that surrounds our earth is known as atmosphere. And you know that, children, without atmosphere there could be no life on the earth's surface. Next, gases. Look at here, children. So, this is our earth. So, the mixture of gases that surrounds our earth, okay, or else we can say that the blanket of air that surrounds our earth is known as atmosphere. Can we say that, children? Name of the gases which surrounds our earth? Yes. For that, I have given a super clue. What is that clue? Look at here. No AC. Are you thinking that AC Vanda? No, children, this is a clue word. This is a clue word for remembering the gases which surround our earth. Shall I explain? Good. First of all, N. N means nitrogen. So, N refers to nitrogen, and O. O refers to oxygen, and A refers to argon, and C refers to carbon dioxide. So, children, don't think no AC, enak AC vanda. So, that is not the answer. Here for the no AC is a clue word for name of the gases which surround our earth. Shall I write gases? Yes. First, N. What refers to N, children? Nitrogen. Nitrogen, nitrogen, and O refers to oxygen. Oxygen, oxygen, and A refers to argon. Argon, argon, and C refers to carbon dioxide. CarbonDioxide, carbon dioxide. So, now tell me, children, name the gases which surrounds our earth. So, these are the main gases which surrounds our earth. So, NOAC, no AC. So, nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide. So, NOAC. Okay. So, nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide. These are the very main important gases which surround our earth. Shall we go for next? Look at here, children. Trace amount of gases. What is the word trace amount, children? Trace amount is nothing but koodudal. So, extra gases. So, in previous slide, we have seen that the 4 important gases which surround our earth. So, apart from that, there is a trace amount of gases also present in our earth surface. Shall we see the trace amount of gas? Children, I know that you are asking me, ma'am, there is a clue word for trace amount of gases. Yes, I am getting your questions, children. Yes, that is the clue word is H square MnKW. If you are repeating this 2 or 3 times, it will be easy clue to write name of the gases which surround our earth. Shall we repeat, children? Yes, H square MnKW, H square MnKW. So now shall we refer that word H square. H square in the sense there is a 2H. So one H refers to hydrogen and another H refers to helium, and M refers to methane, and next N refers to neon, and K refers to krypton, and the last one W refers to water vapor. So these are the trace amount of gases is also present in our earth surface. Shall I write the trace amount of gases here, children? Just say along with me. First H hydrogen, 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 and another H refers to helium. And next M refers to methane. And next N refers to neon. And next K refers to krypton. And last W refers to water vapor. Yes, these are the trace amount of gases also present in our earth surface. Shall I repeat, children? H square MnKW. So hydrogen, helium, methane, neon, krypton, and finally water vapor. So next, content. Yes, today we are going to discuss just 2 content of this lesson. Content number 1 is introduction. Content number 2 is composition of atmosphere. Shall we go, children? First, introduction. In the introduction, no children, important. Which one is very important, children? Yes, the topic of the lesson. What is the topic of the lesson? Atmosphere. Good. So, atmosphere is a very important one to present our earth surface. And next, made up of air. Yes, children, atmosphere is mainly made up of air. Look at here, children, temperature of atmosphere and density of air. Yes, the temperature of atmosphere and density of air both will decrease if the altitude increases. What is meant by altitude, children? Altitude is nothing but height. So, as a result, what is the result? As a result, if height increases, then certainly temperature of atmosphere and density of air both will decrease. So, what is the result of this? Yes, if altitude is increases, then temperature of atmosphere and density of air, this both will definitely decrease. What will increase, children? Yes, as a result of height. What is the word in geographically height, children? Elevation. Good. Yes, if height is increased, then certainly the temperature of atmosphere and density of air both will decreases. So next, look at this, children. What is this, children? Yes, kaatadikkudu illaya. So what we can say? Air. And what is the another word, children? Wind. Good. First, air. Yes, look at this, children. Air is also known as wind. Air is also known as wind. W-I-N-D, wind. Yes. So next, look at here children. Now I will draw here two lines. Can you find what is a line? Look at here. What is a line this children? Vertical line. What is that? Vertical line. And look at this. What is this children? We can say that sleeping line or else horizontal line. So this is vertical line and this is horizontal line. So just assume it children, if the horizontal line moves, what will happen? How we will imagine that? Look at here, if the horizontal line it moves, then it will like this. Correct children? It will like this only, no? So if the horizontal line moves, then it will just imagine, okay? So it will like this. So this is known as air or wind. So what is the definition of this? Yes, the horizontal movement of air is known as wind. Yes, the horizontal movement of air is known as wind. Air moves. Look at here children, where it is moves. Yes, air moves from high pressure area to low pressure area. So air moves from high pressure area to low pressure area. And also moisturizing wind, ஈரப்பதமான காற்று. So the moisturizing winds always bring a rain at a particular place. That is a thing children. A thing is moisturizing wind, that means ஈரப்பதமான காற்று. So that moisturizing winds always brings a rain at a particular place. So air, what is that air? Wind. Horizontal movement of air is known as wind, and air moves from high pressure area to low pressure area, and moisturizing wind always brings a rain at a particular place. So next topic is composition of the atmosphere. Yes, shall we discuss children the amount of gases? So how much amount of gases consists in the atmosphere? First of all, nitrogen. So 78% of nitrogen consists in the atmosphere. So look at here children, 78% of nitrogen. So 78% of nitrogen consists in the atmosphere. And next, oxygen. How much percentage of oxygen? Yes, 21. 21% of oxygen is present in the atmosphere, and remaining 1%, that 1% in the carbon dioxide, water vapor and remain gases. So remain gases. So these are the gases in 1% is present in the atmosphere. So just listen children, 78% of nitrogen and 21% of oxygen and 1% of remain gases, which is including the carbon dioxide, methane and water vapor, dust particles, so everything. So that 1% is presented in the atmosphere. And next, nitrogen. So shall we see uses of nitrogen? So first of all, nitrogen is useful. It's a very main essential one of to use in the chemical industry. So nitrogen is used to in the chemical industries, and also it is used to make fertilizers. Look at here children, fertilizers, 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 nylon and dye. Okay, next, explosives, EXPLOSIVES, explosives. Yes children, nitrogen is very much of useful in the chemical industries, and also it is used to make fertilizers, உரங்கள் தயாரிக்கிறதுக்கு, and nylon அந்த கயிறு இதெல்லாம் தயாரிப்போம் இல்லையா, நைலான் கயிறு, நைலான் பேக்ஸ் இதெல்லாமே, அதே மாதிரி dyes and also explosives. What is meant by explosives children? Explosives is nothing but வெடி பொருட்கள். So nitrogen is also used to make fertilizers, nylon, dyes and explosives. And also know children, nitrogen, it must be used to produce these products with the help of ammonia. So, how ammonia will produce, children, is nothing but nitrogen acts with, nitrogen reacts with hydrogen to produce ammonia. So, these are the uses of nitrogen. And next, oxygen. So, oxygen, everyone knows oxygen is a very much, it's an essential one to respiration. It's a very much essential one to respiration. நம்ம மூச்சு நம்மளுடைய breathing பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா நம்ம ஆக்ஸிஜன் தான் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம், ரெஸ்பிரேட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். So next பாத்தீங்க அப்படினாக்கா oxygen is also one of the main gas to use in the medical and medicines also, and it is also used to steel industries. So these are the very much essential one to present in our earth surface. Okay children, today we have learnt or today we have discussed about what is atmosphere and name the gases which present in the earth surface and temperature of atmosphere, density of air. If what will acts with atmosphere, children? Yes, these both will increase with their height. And what is wind? Composition of gases. Air moves from is a high pressure area to low pressure area, and finally rain. So moisturizing winds brings rain at a particular place. Okay, and also children, study material, question bank, self-assessment, so everything as given in the description box. Study material and question bank and also self-assessment is three files as given in the description box. Okay. Thank you very much children. See you on next class. Have a nice day.